Katiba yendikithitie majaji mahuruke wira na miaka 70 undu uria jaji Kalpana Rawal na Tunoi mareganite naguo na makendikithia miaka 74. Majaji aya ni makinyitie cira uyu magoti matiganu mothe magitua ati mahuruke wira ta uria katiba yendikithitie, nao magacokia cira uyu riko nginyagia ri ukinyite igoti-ini itugiru undu uria uguciriirie mawoni ngurani. Tariki cia igoti riri guthikiriria cira uyu niguo gitumi kinene kia ngucanio, amwe makiendekithia tariki 24 mweri uyu ta uria jaji Njoki Ndung'u endekithitie, na angi makauga yagigukorwo mbere ya tariki icio ta uria jaji Willy Mutunga endekithitie.
Justice of this Supreme Court, I invite you to strike a blow for the independence of the judiciary by allowing my appeal and let us meet here on the 24th of June as ordered by a single judge. Thank you, my lords.
Aria marenda cira uyu thikiririo tene ni kumana na kiria marauga ta kuhuruka wira kwa jaji Willy Mutunga, undu uria ungihotomia cira uyu guthikiririo amu no nginya majaji 5 gatagati ka 7 mauthikiririe.
That the decision that the order by Justice Njoki could have been set aside by a single judge, or even a 2 judge, or a 3 judge. You don't need a 5-judge bench to set aside the decision by a single judge.
Undu ungi uria urehete rugari thiini wa igoti riri ni kana majaji amwe ni magiririe guthikiriria cira uyu, kuona ati othe ni amemba a bodi ya JSC na cira uyu urehetwo ni amwe yao.
Are the judges, the individual judges of this court, conflicted to such an extent that they should decline jurisdiction to deal with the intended appeal, which, as my learned senior has indicated, is yet to be found.
Ikundi mwanya citongoretio ni kiama kia mawakiri guku bururi-ini ni merutire gutongoria miario gatagati ka miena ino iri, undu uria utari urakinyanira nginyagia riu. Jona Wang'ang'a, Inooro TV.